How's it going, guys? This is Trainer Alpha.
And Trainer Omega.
Here today with a new set of cards from this new game called Force of Will. Seems pretty cool. Me and Trainer Omega already played it today. It was pretty fun. This is the third booster set. I went and bought a few packs the other day out of the second booster set, and I got this guy. I don't know how good he is, but here's the front, here's the back. He's double-sided. He's a ruler. Don't know what that means much yet, but we'll figure out.
I don't know what it means. It's a ruler.
It's a ruler. Yeah, it's pretty nice looking. Got our Jacob we opened last episode. But without further ado, let's get on this. And there's a pentagram on here.
Which is why it's awesome.
So you get like a holo in each pack, I think. Elixir of Immortality. King in Yellow. Ooh, Alibaba. Alibaba the Earnest Worker.
Alibaba.
Spawn of Blazer. The Milky Way. Art of Sinbad.
Sinbad is also unlucky.
Fallen Comet. Ooh, a hollow stone. I think those are pretty rare. So I got 2 hollows in this pack. Is this like a colorless stone?
Can you look at them?
Hold on. The First Lie, Mind Reading Fox. He looks pretty
Both
cute.
just regular rares.
Both regular rares. But I think these are kind of more rare. Just kind of prop those up. Alright, next pack. I kind of want a ruler because those are pretty cool to get. Who knows? So the backs of these are pretty nice. These are pretty good card qualities.
Card quality.
Quality of the card is good. I think we might have gotten something. A Seed Delight. Sweet Rose. Spawn of Blazer. Total Eclipse. Joyful Bird Catcher. Ooh. She looks naked. That's not good.
Nope.
Whatever. Ooh, we got 2 hollows again. Let's see. Her name.
You're always getting rare hollow, I think.
Yeah, but we keep getting like a super rare or something. Shub. I don't even want to pronounce that. Records of Eternal Flame. Then we got Magic Stone of Flame and Shooting Star and Hide the Chaos.
So yeah, that's a super rare.
Just super rare. This chick. Naked chick. And all these cards are going everywhere. Okay. Now that's over. So yeah, so this is a pretty good, cool looking card game that me and Trainer Omega found. We tried it out today. It's pretty fun. We might get into it more. But here's our hollows. If you want to try to read that. Here. Let's see. Pause if you want to read that. That's just flavor text. And then the stone. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I know there's been stuff for a while for some reason. That's besides the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go and like all of our videos if you want to, I guess. But this is Trainer Alpha.
And Trainer Omega.
Signing out. Have a good one.